Most guys get a buzz cut because it's easy. But then they wonder why they look like a thumb. A buzz cut isn't a haircut, it's a frame for your skull. If you don't style the frame, you're just showing off a bad canvas. Today, I'm showing you the 3 specific ways to style a buzz cut based on your face shape using geometry, not just clippers. Style 1. The textured buzz for flat hair. If your hair is naturally straight and flat, uniform buzz looks plastic. You need the texture reset. The move. Use a high-hold matte clay. Even if your hair is only 1 inch long, rubbing a tiny amount in a circular motion creates micro clumps. The vibe. It breaks up the light reflecting off your scalp, making your hair look 30% thicker. This is the rugged look. Style 2. The sharp lineup for wide faces. If you have a round or wide face, a soft buzz cut makes you look heavier. You need the linear contrast. The move. It's all about the vertical drop at the temples. By squaring off the corners of your forehead, you create an optical illusion that pulls the eyes upward. The hack. Use a temporary hair fiber spray on the edges. It gives you that always fresh look that usually only lasts 2 days after a haircut. Style 3. The bleached aesthetic. Finally, the color shift. In 2026, a buzz cut is the safest time to experiment with color because if you mess up, it grows out in 3. The science. Bleaching the tips of a buzz cut creates a massive contrast against the scalp. It shifts the attention from your head shape to your style. Pro tip: if you go blonde, you must use a purple shampoo once a week. If not, it turns yellow-orange, and you lose the aesthetic. Stop treating your hair like a chore and start treating it like an accessory. I've put the matte clay and the edge sprays I use in the description. If you want a guide on buzz cuts for beard growth, comment buzz.